User 6 says, what should we do if the form I-864A is being rejected? How do we know what information is missing? I'm guessing you're dealing with the Consular Processing National Visa Center. A lot of times they push back on this form. I have to see and review the form to see what it is. So it's not one of those things I can't just tell you. I have to read it. But the problem that you have, and for other people to know, is when you're dealing with a National Visa Center at the embassy, not the embassy stage, but before you get to the embassy, there's a group called National Visa Center. They review the documents, and if they find a problem, they say there's a problem, but most of the time they don't specify what the problem is. And at this point in our firm, when we do get this, almost every time, they're making a mistake and they're not clarifying to us. We have to complain to a supervisor review to catch the error. The problem is when these errors happen, it just resets the clock on the case time like 2 or 3 months. So it's pretty catastrophic when it does happen. In particular, it's worse when you're dealing with Form I-864A, the affidavit of support for a household member. They do not understand this form many times and they get confused. What I've seen is almost like most of the time I could get away with not sending this form because we could get the paperwork right, but they'll request it. And when there's other times when we need this form and I submit it to them, they challenge it and say it's not needed. So it's a complete mess when you have to deal with an I-864. Ideally, you don't have to, but have an attorney review it in private to see what's missing. And maybe you're right and they're wrong. You just have to clarify it with a supervisor there through the embassy portal to message them. That kind of stuff happens a lot, unfortunately, with the National Visa Center nowadays. And it's a nightmare to deal with.
Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.